With the window opened? Wow. The sun is out. Yay. Blue skies. You wanna go out? There she goes. Yes, makes me so happy. No June gloom. This outfit. Okay, back into the sun. Yeah, you're right. This is where we should be. So nice and warm, huh? Yes. Haven't even said good morning yet. Good morning, guys. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. Such a beautiful day out. I had to be out here. I am so shook, you guys, that it says it's only going up to 64 today because it feels so warm in the sun already, and it's early. It's 9 a.m. The weather forecast coming up. Check that out. 68 tomorrow, then all 70s and even creeping into the 80s. Oh, this weekend's gonna be so beautiful. I am so excited. Come on, Molly Cat. It's time to go inside. Come on. Yeah, Mama's gonna go in for a little bit. Oh. Excuse me. You do not get to run away from me. Look at her. Look at this cat. Do not jump up on that couch. I need to clean your paws. Trying to be a better plant mom to my tulips here. So I actually got these tips on Instagram from Lindsay Atkinson, if you follow her. And she said that you should take the flowers out, rinse the stems, switch the water, and then it helps them live longer. So we're gonna try it. Look at my girl in the sun. Good girl. And look at how pretty these look. Oh, this one's getting a little brown at the tip there. See it? That's okay. Still looks so gorgeous. 12:40 check-in, and I am in the office here because Connor moved into the living room to do a little demo. And I just spent this whole morning working on a vlog from mine and Connor's anniversary weekend, which was so much fun. I love this vlog so much. It's already up on my channel if you want to go check it out. It's just a good one. It really is. That was such a fun weekend. Oh, I loved it. And it was so fun reliving it on the vlog. All of that amazing food, amazing hotel. Oh, it was so good. I'm sad it's over. Wish that was my life every weekend. So I have a call here in about 20 minutes. It shouldn't be too long a call, hopefully just like a half hour, but I am having a little quantum bar just to hold me over because I was already getting a little hungry. Hi, Molly Cat. And then after the call, we will make some lunch. Okay, salads for lunch. Looking so good. Connor and I both made them. I'm very hungry today, so this is gonna be really good. My work partner is never too far away. Right, Molly Cat? Yeah. Such a good girl. Back to work after lunch now and not being super productive, but we're gonna pick up the pace right now. Taking a quick break from work to do a grocery haul here for you guys. Connor and I have not been grocery shopping in a little while. And really not a big haul like this because we were supplementing with like some Trader Joe's stuff and you know, you guys know the deal. Run through this quickly because there's a lot of stuff here. Mexican cheese, always good to have on hand. Of course, some deli turkey. We've really been loving getting the turkey from the deli instead of prepackaged, so much better. Pepper jack cheese, my fave. It's the only kind of cheese that I'll really put on sandwiches because I'm not a huge fan of cheese on sandwiches. Some butter. I have been using Earth Balance forever. It tastes exactly the same, but it is vegan. But seriously, you would never, ever, ever know the difference at all. It's crazy. I was out of some kimchi, so I got a little restock on that, as well as this little treat I got, some burrata. I thought this would be yummy for, I don't know what exactly. Maybe we'll make a pasta and like put some burrata on it. Sounds so good. Of course, some cherry tomatoes. I always like to get the medley. Got my favorite sauce. This is the Rose Arrabbiata. So good. Well, did not order 2 of these, but they got us 2 packs of chicken. We definitely only ordered 1, but whatever, we'll just freeze it. Got some more pickles for Connor because he uses those on his sandwiches. Also got some brioche buns for some like chicken sandwiches, because that's what we like to do with the chicken breast. This is our favorite bread. It's so good. It's like thicker slices, so it just tastes yummier. I just like it in general, and then Connor really likes it because he always puts his sandwiches on the panini press, and other slices of bread just get so like smushed, and that's like the thinnest sandwich ever, so this is much better. See, also got some fresh baguettes. Just like to have those on hand. And then I got a ton of different kinds of wraps because we use different wraps for different things. So we have some taco wraps. These are great for our crunch wraps and also tacos. We have spinach wraps, which are our favorite when we're doing like salad wraps or like tuna wraps or whatever. And then the last kind of wrap we got were these big tortillas, which we like to use again for the crunch wraps. So lots of different wraps here. Of course, had to stock up on our usual veggies. So we have bell pepper, tomato here, English cucumber, and some zucchini for me. I actually also got this. This is just like some, you know, shredded cabbage and carrots for a slaw. Had to restock on mac and cheese. Always have to have it in my cabinet. It's my guilty pleasure. I love it so much. Some shredded carrots. We just use that in all sorts of stuff. Also got these. I absolutely love these. They're called Good Thins. The Simply Salt ones are so good, even just plain, and then they're obviously delicious just to use in some dips, so love that. And then last up here, we got 2 family-size sesame Asian salad kits, which is what we use for our salads every day. Woo, that is it. Also got like paper towels, toilet paper, some like random sort of stuff that we needed like that. Quite the haul here. So I'm gonna work on putting this stuff away now and then get back to work. Taking another break from work, decided I just wanted to come outside and get some fresh air for a second. I'm struggling to get through work today. I've just been struggling in general, honestly, with work stuff. Just really tired and burnt out. Oh man, just not feeling like myself. I'm usually like very motivated to get stuff done. Really not a problem for me typically, so it's really not ideal. I don't know, I feel like I've caught like a bad case of imposter syndrome too. And honestly, I feel like an imposter even saying imposter syndrome. Like I have imposter syndrome about feeling imposter syndrome, because I'm like, well, you shouldn't even have imposter syndrome because only people who have a reason for that should. I don't know, I know it's like crazy, but that's how I'm feeling. Just worn out lately, you guys, and you know, I just feel like I'm working really hard and not always getting what I want back from that, which can be frustrating because I feel like I put a lot of time and energy into every aspect of my work, not just like my YouTube stuff. It can be difficult to feel, you know, underappreciated when you really feel like you're putting your heart and soul into things. Just sucks sometimes, you know. It's the struggle. But you know, we're making it work. I feel like I go through this at like once or twice a year where I just like am not feeling good. Anyway, it's like 4 o'clock now and I really need to get to work. I'm gonna have to probably work a little late today before my plans later this evening, which will be really fun. That'll definitely cheer me up. It's just been, I haven't even been having a bad day. I've just been having like a mopey day, or just tired, or not motivated, all of the above. It happens. It's a Tuesday, you know. Gotta get to that like Wednesday afternoon time to start feeling a little bit better, closer to the weekend. End of the workday. Ended up working until, I don't even know, like 6:30ish, and then just hopped in the shower, and now it's time to get ready because tonight we are going out to dinner with some friends. We're going to Wabi, which I'm very excited for. And yeah, it's going to be me, Connor, Kate, Alex, Simone, and Victoria. So it should be a really fun and probably hectic group. No one should allow us out together. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of makeup on, really not too much, but I do have this like honking huge zit right here, so I figured I should maybe try to cover that up a little bit. Okay, here is the fit. Makeup is on, just threw my hair up in a little high pony because I don't really feel like dealing with it. This little dress is from Sadie and Sage, I think, but it's pretty old, so I probably can't find it, but I will take a look. And then these cute little shoes here, which are from Ray the Label. I feel like it's a cute little vibe here. I like it. And we're gonna be heading out to dinner in about 5 minutes. All right.
Bonjour.
We're off to dinner. Very excited.
Yeah, we're pumped.
It has been too long since we've been at Wabi.
Too long since I've been outdoors.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, it is really pretty.
We love this walk to Wabi.
Yeah, look at that. A little sunset coming in. I love this like single palm tree sticking up there. Here too. Ah, I love it.
We just passed our favorite home.
I know. Yeah, we have these like 2 homes in our neighborhood right next to each other. One is like my dream home and one is Connor's dream home. They're literally directly next to each other. So we always say that we can just buy both.
Yeah, be neighbors.
Exactly. I feel like that would work. Big boo. Thank you. Cheers, friends. Cheers, guys. Yay. To Simone.
Oh my God. Hell of a Saturday. You good?
What the heck is this? What did I order? What the fuck is that? I have no idea. So much sushi. Very excited.